Sometimes we would just drive.
Driving through vineyards.
Yeah, we'd drive and dream. Like, if we were gonna start a wine company, what would ours be like?
I'm Robin McBride.
I'm Andréa McBride John.
And our company is McBride Sisters Wine Company.
We're the fastest growing wine company in the United States. Largest Black owned, second largest woman owned. And I think the thing that we're most proud of is our organization.
Our team.
And the amount of amazing, talented women, predominantly women. I think
There's a few fellas.
85%.
85, 90% women. We're kind of like rewriting the rules every day. Every time we turn around, we're doing something that hasn't been done yet in this space. There's a lot of satisfaction out of getting to be in places where we're not expected to be and show up in ways that people don't think we can.
We like transforming the industry, and we want to lead and we want to build community with delicious wine. So we have a really crazy sister story. We didn't know about each other growing up. I grew up thinking that we were only children on opposite sides of the world.
Our dad was a trip.
Well, I mean, he was a Rolling Stone.
That's a nice way to say it.
So literally, Robin's in the Northern Hemisphere in Monterey. I'm in the Southern Hemisphere in Aotearoa in New Zealand.
It was actually our dad's family that was able to find both of us and connect us. And this is in the 90s, so no Google, no Facebook, no searches online. They had to do like old school sleuthing.
And we were united in 1999. And that's when the McBride sisters became the McBride sisters. So we've had a lot of successes, but I think 2021 was a Black Girl Magic year. We were nominated for American Winery of the Year.
We were super excited to find out that Gabrielle Union loved our wine.
Jessica Alba. Rachel Brosnahan. We got to be on the cover of Wine Enthusiast magazine with Patti LaBelle.
What?
We're coming for the top 25 in the world, so you know.
Wow, that's us.
Yeah, so it was a magical year. We have 3 collections. The McBride Sisters collection. You can come with us on this journey. We'll take you down to New Zealand and I'll show you all the most beautiful wines that New Zealand has to offer, and then we can bring you back to the Central Coast. And Robin's got you on all the beautiful wines from the Central Coast.
Very Epicurean, right, in nature.
And then Black Girl Magic, our love letter to the women in our family that paved the way, to the women in our community doing it. We see you, we want to celebrate you. And then we have the She Can collection.
We launched She Can in 2019.
She Can is premium wine in a can.
So at that point, it's 14 years of us owning our wine business. We had definitely had a lot of challenges. We had a lot of closed doors.
We felt like we didn't get a lot of access to really simple things, and we had to learn the hard way. So we're like, how do we minimize this for other women so they don't have to go through this? So
the She Can Fund is something that we launched initially dedicated to women in wine and spirits to help advance their careers. 2020, however, when the pandemic, hit globally, we kind of paused a little bit and we were like, okay, where is the most need? We learned that 95% of Black-owned businesses either were denied or didn't qualify for the PPP emergency funding, and that at a huge rate, Black-owned businesses were shuttering or were going to shutter like in the next 6 months.
So we decided to lean in and really focus on Black women entrepreneurs and issued immediate cash grants in addition to technical training. 2021, we extended even further the program into finance, into hospitality, and then we've also focused on HBCUs. So we partnered with Southern University and we're trying to help figure out how we can create a better pipeline for Black people in the wine industry.
What do you want your legacy to be?
Small question. I think it is that when we're done, that we left the wine industry better than when we started, and that we were able to help facilitate more diversity of thought. So the next woman entrepreneur, when she walks into the room, like, it's normal. You've seen people that have achieved at a really high level and there's no bias,
No one's clutching the pearls to find a Black woman in the boardroom of a wine company, right? That's why we're here, right? It's for positive change. I think success is if the changes that you've made can't be undone. I think we've done that. Or we're doing that. Cheers to that.
Yeah.